Welcome back to the course. In our last lecture, we discussed the initial spark that sets the process in motion, problem recognition. Today, we are focusing on the next crucial step, information search. Once consumers recognize a problem or need, they embark on a quest for information to help them find the best solution. This information search can take many forms and vary in intensity, depending on the nature of the problem, the customer's level of involvement, and the availability of resources. There are two main types of information search. Internal search. This involves scanning our own memory and knowledge for relevant information. We draw upon our past experiences, product knowledge, and brand associations to evaluate potential solutions. This type of search is often used for low involvement purchases or when we have prior experience with a product category. External search. This involves seeking information from external sources such as friends, family, experts, online reviews, comparison websites, and marketing material. External search is more common for high involvement purchases or when we lack sufficient knowledge or experience to make a decision based on internal information alone. The sources of information consumers rely on can be categorized into personal sources like friends, family, colleagues, and other trusted individuals. Word of mouth recommendations often carry significant weight in consumer decision-making process. Commercial sources, advertisements, websites, brochures, salesperson, and other marketing communications from businesses. These sources are designed to persuade and inform, but consumers often view them with a degree of skepticism. Public sources, online reviews, consumer reports, government publications, and other independent sources that provide unbiased information. These sources are often perceived as more credible and trustworthy. Experimental sources. Direct experiment with a product or service through trial, sampling, or demonstration. This type of information is often highly influential as it allows consumers to assess a product's features and benefits firsthand. The amount of information consumers seek out can vary significantly depending on several factors. Involvement. The more important or expensive a purchase is, the more likely consumers are to engage in extensive information research. Perceived risk. When the perceived risks of making a wrong decisions are high, consumers tend to invest more time and effort in gathering information. Knowledge and experience. Consumers with prior knowledge or experience in a product category may conduct less extensive searches than those who are unfamiliar with the options. Availability of information. The ease and accessibility of information can influence the extent of search. With the rise of internet, consumers have access to a vast amount of information at their fingertips, making information search more convenient than ever before. Understanding the information search process is crucial for businesses. By providing relevant, accurate, and easily accessible information through various channels, businesses can increase their visibility, build trust with the customers, and ultimately influence their purchase decision. In our next lecture, we'll explore the evaluation of alternatives stage, where consumers weigh the pros and cons of different options and narrow down their choices.